Just 1 glass is enough, and your houseplants will grow like never before. Your ZZ plant will sprout new shoots, and your orchids will bloom profusely. From now on, you won't need fertilizers from the store. This homemade natural fertilizer will bring all your plants to life. It works perfectly for orchids, cacti, succulents, ZZ plants, anthuriums, and peace lilies. And all you need is an ingredient found in most kitchen cabinets: lentils. They are full of phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and vitamins C, B6, A, and K. It's a complete source of nutrients that will stimulate your plant's growth. So, if your plants need a boost or aren't growing as you'd like, try this lentil fertilizer. The results will be impressive. Pour about half a liter of water into a container. Add 3 tablespoons of lentils. You can use any color lentils, as all types are rich in minerals and vitamins. Let this water sit for a few hours. The lentils will release many valuable nutrients into the water, which will change color. Take another container and strain the lentils using a sieve. This water is the perfect fertilizer for watering your plants. It will strengthen the roots, keep the leaves healthy, and stimulate flowering plants to bloom. Use this free fertilizer once a month. You'll see noticeable results with regular use over at least 3 months. You can also use lentil powder. Prepare a small blender. Add 3 tablespoons of lentils and grind them into a fine powder. This amount will be enough for a few pots. If you need more, grind additional portions of lentils. Store the powder in a jar. Use a small amount of the powder per pot. Sprinkle it onto the soil and mix it with the substrate. This way, the plant will be fertilized gradually. You can add another portion of fertilizer after 30 days. Your plants will grow healthy and beautiful. Do it for your flowers. The result will be amazing. Start by taking a few red onions and peeling off their skins. Onions are not just a tasty ingredient, but also an excellent product you can use in gardening. Onion skins contain valuable nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and flavonoids, which support plant growth and blooming. Onions also help combat plant diseases and improve flower resilience. Place the skins in a pot and cover them with water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Simmer everything on low heat for about 30 minutes. During cooking, the beneficial nutrients from the onion skins will gradually release into the water. Then strain the mixture to remove any remaining skins. Pour the resulting liquid into a spray bottle for easy application on plants. Now simply spray your plants with this natural fertilizer. You can use it for orchids and other potted flowers. Red onion fertilizer not only provides essential minerals to your plants, but also enhances the health of their leaves and flowers. Try this method and see how quickly your plants reward you with beautiful appearance and healthy growth.